What's up, guys? Yeah, welcome to another section on my YouTube channel. I'll be talking about prop firm account. I got my prop firm account, and the reason why I decided to go for a prop firm account. And one of the major reasons is because if you look at it, forex is like a money game, money probability game. But let me talk about the money aspect. The reason why I said it's a money game. I saw a post online which was like an eye opener for me. On the post, it said like if you have a $1,000 account, like an account with $1,000 balance on it, and you have an account of $100,000 balance on it. If you make 50% on your $1,000 account, that is how much profit. That is like $500 profit on the $1,000 account. Then on the $100,000 account, if you make just 5%, that is $5,000. You made $5,000 profit. Don't chase bigger returns. Instead, chase bigger capital. Now, can you see the advantage? Although usually everything is not just about money in forex, the skill also matters. The skill and the knowledge. But once you have capital, once you have access to large amount of capital, it's a very, very, very big advantage. But that's why I decided to, try prop firm accounts. I did my research. I checked through different prop firms. I went on X, which was formerly known as Twitter. I also went there to check some reviews, the comments on their posts, like what people say about the prop firm. I just come to like conclusion of maybe like two that are current and they're actively paying. I saw Funded Next. I also saw Good Funded. But I can't even remember the reason why I just said I should go for Good Funded, because I also like Funded Next. At least those two. They are just two options I could just go for at that time. So I just decided to go for Good Funded. So which was that was around last 2 months. Last 2 months. Around let me say around last 2 months. So I got the prop firm account. But ever since the time I bought it, I just read it for like 2 weeks. I was only actively trading it. I decided to give it a trial, so I paid for it, got my 5K account. So I started trading it. But ever since I was trading, I'm currently in a drawdown. And ever since then, I just had to give it a pause. But right now, I will continue trading the account, and I'll keep the progress posted on this channel. Whatever trade I take on the prop firm account also, I'll make sure to keep posting it here. In fact, I'm currently on a trade right now. I'm currently on a Euro USD sell trade on the account, so I hope it goes well. I'll also probably do a screen record right now on the reasons why I entered the trade. What the things I saw in the setup for me to take that sell trade. Right now on the account, I'm in a bit of drawdown, but I am very, very positive. I will pass that challenge. I'm still currently in phase 1, but definitely I'll pass the challenge. I am very, very positive about it. I'll pass the challenge. So guys, here's the prop firm account I trade. It is currently, as I said, it's a $5,000 account, but currently in a drawdown. So I hope to grow it back and make some profits and pass the challenge. So here it is. This was the no. So this is it. This was the trade. This is the trade I'm currently on. So I hope to grow this account. So guys, here is one of the reasons why I took these sales on the prop firm account. Okay, let me just delete all this. If you look at it, this is the weekly time frame. I started from the bigger time frame. I did my top down analysis. And checking this, you will see that this is on the weekly we are currently bearish, in a bearish trend. So let me switch to the line chart so you can see it clearly. So if you check here, you see this one here. So it was moving up around this place, but here it changed character. So we had our change of character here. So now you see that we're in a bearish momentum. So the trend is currently bearish on the weekly time frame. So this is the last lower high that is yet to be taken out. So this lower high is not yet taken out, and we have what's it called? We have a lower low here, and this is our lower high. So until it takes out this lower high, we are still going to be in a downtrend. So now, and now saw this. If you look here again, you will see. Oh my God, wait, let me. So if you look down here, you see like a double top. So it was this double top I saw. So I was like, okay, the market might reverse at this second point here. The market might reverse here. So I went down to the daily time frame. So if price can bounce here, it will touch here, then here. That is, it will touch here. This is one support here. This is another support here. Let me just say here like this. This is another support here. So I then went down to the daily time frame. Here we had a change of character and a BOS here. But what I think is that price moved from this place to this place to tap into the other block before moving down. So if you check here, you see like an order block here. You check here, you see like an order. Let me delete this to make it clear. You see like an order block around this place. So this is the last bullish candle before the bearish move. So, and I think price wants to take out this high here. That is the inducement. It wants to take out inducement before moving down. So what I did was to go down to the 4-hour time frame again, because I want to slim it down. I'm not going to take the trade from the bigger time frame. I just want to have the overview. So I just switched to the line chart to see clearly. So I saw that this was an uptrend. This was an uptrend. There's one way I draw my trend line. It's not the usual way people draw trend line. But I'll just go for the one that has most touches. Like this one. Anyone that has the most touch. I think this is it. Number one, it has to have the most touch, and it must not exclude any the close of the candlestick. It must not exclude it. Everything must be included inside the trend line. That's how I draw my trend line. Then if I want to draw, like, one of the reasons why I do it this way is to eliminate the noises. But if I want to add the noise to it, so that I will be sure that maybe if there's a break of trend line, this is what I do. I will also draw another line again, another trend line covering the wicks also. So that is just like an extra confirmation that, okay, this trend has truly changed, because sometimes the wicks also matters. So here it is. So where was our last higher low? This is it. This was our last higher low. Okay, let me delete this. We don't need this again. So this was our last higher low. So it was already taken out. This was our last higher low that was taken out. So, and if you check well, I make sure that I have, after a change of character, I wait for another BOS to confirm that the trend has truly changed. Like this BOS here again, to confirm that the trend has truly changed. So now the trend has truly changed and we're now in downtrend. So then I went down to the 1 hour. Normally, if I actually didn't see this trade early, if I had seen it earlier, I might have taken the trade from this place, from here. I might have taken the trade around here, somewhere like this, if I had seen it earlier. So even if the markets do not move down, like I will have just set a break even already. So if you check it very well, market took out this high, which is like an inducement. Took out this inducement here. So it swept liquidity before moving down. So after it swept liquidity, upon returning back into that other block, I'm sure there's another block. If you move down to the 15-minute again, there's another block below it. Exactly, see it. Here it is. There's another block below it. Can you see? Exactly. So you see that upon touching that particular green candle, that doji, that tiny candle there, this tiny candle down here, upon touching it, it went straight down. So even if I didn't even wait to capture this whole move, at least when it's reached here, this was a 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio, and this is a very, very clean trade. This is a very, very good trade. So these are the reasons why I took the the sell trade. But actually, since I'm going to be swinging this trade, it's going to be more of a swing. Since I'm going to be swinging this trade, at least to take this. So I just hope the trade plays out well. I pray it plays out well. So these are the reasons why I took the trade. I entered here. I think I entered around here and kept my stop loss somewhere here. So that was the reason why I entered that trade. So but later in my videos I will explain properly what my strategy is, like what my strategy is, how the things I look out for whenever I want to enter a trade. I'll still make videos on that later on. But this is just the reason why I entered that trade. So I'm just basically making use of three time frame. Sometimes I use the daily 4 hour then 1 hour, or I use the 4 hour, 1 hour and 15 minutes. But sometimes maybe I just need extra confirmation. I can just go down a little bit, one more. I can just go down one more, like to the 4th time frame. Normally I use 3, but I go down to the 4th time frame sometimes for extra confirmation. So look at this now. I think this price is here to get this to grab this liquidity. So we should see another movement down, at least to this place. We should see another movement down here. So once we see another movement down here and it comes again to grab another liquidity, I'll set this particular one in what's it called? I'll set this one to break even, then I'll add another position whenever it wants to grab another liquidity and enter for another sell. So that is how I'll add positions to it. That is it, guys, concerning my profile account. So my plan is just to pass the account, pass the phase 1, then move on to the phase 2, also pass the phase 2 and get funded. I hope it works. I'll enter a trade using a 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio, and at least with a 60% win ratio from my strategy, I should be able to pass it. If I fail the first and second trade, I should win the third trade, and the third trade should cover the 2 previous loss and I'll still remain profitable. So if fortunately I win the 4th trade again, I'll move on till I meet the threshold, till I meet the target for passing phase 1. So thank you guys for following me up throughout the video up to this moment. I really appreciate it. So I have to see you in the next video. Ciao.